You are literally walking past a $1,000 bill every single month. And you probably don't even see it. It's not a cash bill. It's the silent army of monthly subscriptions. The streaming services, the food delivery, the app memberships. All those just a few dollars charges that add up without you noticing. The average person spends about $273 a month on these. Seems manageable, right? But let's look at what happens over time. That's $273 a month, which is over $3,000 a year. That's a vacation. That's a new laptop. But the real gut punch? If you invested that $273 every month for 30 years, it could grow to over $332,000. That invisible bill is actually a future fortune. So what do? We perform a subscription triage. Category 1, the essentials, your phone, your internet, they stay. Category 2, the joyful, the one or two services you truly love, they stay. Category 3, the zombies, the stuff you pay for but don't use. These are eating your future. They have to go. Your mission is simple. This week, open your banking app and scroll through the last 3 months of statements. Hunt down every single recurring charge. Label them essential, joyful, or zombie, and then be ruthless. Cancel the zombies. This one action will save most of you hundreds of dollars this year, so remember, find your zombie subscriptions and cancel them. That money you save is your first arrow. And in the next video, we'll show you exactly how to fire that arrow straight into your first $10,000 investment. If you're ready to stop walking past your money and start hitting your targets, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.